thought you were step, sorry. Put this one together, yos. Ready? Hang on, hang on.
Mato!
Wait.
Mato!
Wait. Smile. 3, 2, 1. Oh! What's up? On they come! Yes! On those, mate! Come on, Eos! On your one! No, don't flip this jump. If you don't want to flip, just hold the people up. Yep. No, I know. Come on, Max. Yay! Reese. I've had, yeah. Hey, do me a favour, have a look, see what numbers are going out.
What numbers go? 401, 402.
Yeah, cool. Only thing is, they missed steps on me. Oh, are you up there again, Getty? How do you jump the queue? Hey, big Lawrence, boy!
Come on, Matt! Go on, Matt!
Come on, Gabe! Come on, Gabe! I got him on camera! Come on, Gabe! Good laugh, mate. Ah, good laugh, mate. Come on, Megan, let's go! Come on, Megan! Oh, no! Oh, what was that? That was a dive! He's laughing on your head! He's not putting a land on your head like that, mate.
I know.
Go on, big one! Go on, mate! Flip it!
I'm laughing
bottom there, ain't he? He's touched the bottom there. You touch the bottom, look. Go on again, mate. Watch your back. Oh, watch your back. Oh. Yeah, don't want to be doing a silly salmon. Can you hear that? Right, I gotta go over the other side, see some of the other people. Right? Sam, hang on, I'm going to video that now, wait there. Yeah, in one. I'm back again, I'm back again. I'm back again. Yeah! You gotta come back again. You gotta stop at the end and come back. You know. Oh shit! Shit! Hey, up that still me. Come on, Alex boy! Oh. Okay, go, go! You two along in the middle. And then two along. Hey, two in. Who will outbalance each other? Stand in the middle. Oh, nice ped, nice ped. Hey, Gasso! Oh, hi, Noah! Yeah. Push him. Go on, Guyon, you got him, Guyon! Oh. Harry, get it! Go on, Hardy. You got him, Hardy, boy. £5. £5. Yeah. Hey, that's how you do it, Nash. Watch your son. That's how you do it, Nash. Not like this. Go on, Nash boy. Take your time now. One foot at a time. Look at you can't even balance on there. Come on, Ash, just run the gauntlet. Oh! Hey, do this one. Yeah, run towards me. I got a camera here. Go on, Harry. Oh. Oh. Lassie boy. Go on, Daisy. Go on, Daisy. Go on, Daisy. Oh. Oh. Ollie Jakes. Oh, Jack. Oh, class. Watch out. Look at him on the greasy pole. Andrew. Andrew. Have you ready to go with this? Go on, Jack. Go on, Jack. Go on, Jack. Yeah, strike the pose on the end. Well done, mate. Numbers going round on her. Still going. Count the numbers.
0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, cool. He take his foot out. Oh, one of the kids there did that dolphin and landed off the top of that on their face. Oh, nice! Nice, Pete. Settle ass. Settle ass. Come on, Pedro, boy. Ah, piece of piss. Get off. Go on. Andrew. My brother, yeah. Go on in, I got you on camera now. Anghar's after you. Anghar's after you. Yes, good one. No, I've done it. Almost broke my neck.
Oh, your brother as well?
Yeah, and his daughter.
He looks exactly the same.
Yeah. Hey, Nate! Come back on here. Come on, Angharad. Yeah, oh, hang on. Hang on, sit. Hey, sit down. Sit down, Angharad. Carol, come over on this one, yeah. Swim over here, Flo. Come and have a go at this with the camera. I don't know if Flo got on, to be honest. He's too short and he can't swim. Come on, Tess. Has he? How? On what? Oh, right. Oh, I thought that's why he was late.